Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney-Ann and I am a real estate content creator and real estate agent in the island of Jamaica. Before we go any further into this video, I want to remind you guys to subscribe, join the family if you love property tours, or if you're looking to buy or sell and you want to see what the market's like, go ahead and subscribe. You can fill out the contact form below so that we can keep in touch. This is our final video in our Ocho Rios Country Club series. It has been a long journey. This is video number 4 and I'm really excited to show you one of the final models that are on the complex. If you need to purchase any property in Jamaica, go ahead and contact me at 465-8811 or you can email me at my Century21 email. So far we have done the 3-bedroom split level, we have done the standalone townhouse, and we have also toured the interior of both of these houses, as well as the construction phase and the finished phase. However, because we're in the last video of this series, I am going to be showing you the 3-bedroom townhouse with a rooftop mezzanine. So here are the different models for the properties. You can pause the videos and take a good look. There are few units still available on the development. However, phase 1 is completely sold out. So go ahead and reach out to me so that we can check which unit is still available so that you can purchase your dream home or investment property. Let's get into the tour. So these are one of the units that we viewed last week. Today we're going to be viewing this unit. As you can see, at the time of filming, it is still a bit unfinished. However, now that it is published, I can tell you that these houses are actually done and they've moved on to a new phase. This is the living room and kitchen area. Now if you've watched the other units, you'll notice that it's a similar layout with the tray ceilings, the kitchen towards the back and the living room towards the entrance. This is the staircase, which is going to go upstairs. And as I mentioned to you guys, I did design a house in this development, so sooner or later I will be featuring that video on the channel as well. So even though you're seeing a lot of construction here, you will be seeing the finished product for some of these units. This is bedroom number 1 upstairs, and as you can see, it's similar to the others. It's connected with the walk-in closet as well as the ensuite bathroom. Now, what's different about this unit is that there's rooftop access. So there is a stairs that will lead outdoors, as well as a metal staircase on the exterior of the property that will take you upstairs to the rooftop area. Now, this rooftop area is gonna be so amazing. Like, it's multi-purpose. You can entertain. If it is that you probably want to install some sort of jacuzzi, I'm not sure about a pool, but some sort of jacuzzi, if you want to have that type of vibe, I would definitely recommend it. Ocho Rios is full of phenomenal views, and because of where this particular building is located, you can get a glimpse into Ocho Rios town. Now, all of these units here are currently sold, but as I mentioned, we're entering a new phase in the development, so don't fret. Go ahead and reach out to me if you're interested in getting some of the newer houses. That's phase 1 down below, which I mentioned is sold out, and here I'm just showing you the outdoors or the exterior of the building, and there will be similar houses like this being built throughout the year, continuing into next year, guys. So go ahead and reach out to me, send me an email, let me know your budget, and we can find the right property for you. Now I'm heading back downstairs because I'm gonna be going back into the living room and kitchen area, and then me and my friend Mona are going to be taking a tour of the rest of the development. This was such an amazing series to film. I want to thank everyone who has stayed tuned with all 3 videos, and this is video number 4. So where I'm standing here is going to be the living room space, and I'm going to head back out. That's my friend Mona outside, and all of that land that you're seeing in front of us right there is going to be transformed into person's dream properties. So once again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for subscribing. I will see you guys in other property tours. I have a few properties that's going to be posted this month. Additionally, bear in mind that I also offer interior decor services. So if you're interested in designing your dream home after purchasing, go ahead and email me at courtneyandbusiness@gmail.com. However, if you're looking to buy, sell, or lease, you can email me at c.wallace@century21jm.com. Comment below what was your favorite part about this development. Comment what you think the other units will look like, what you think the price ranges will be like. Also remember all the relevant details, prices, square footage, bedrooms, amenities, all of that will be listed in the description box below. Also remember to give the video a thumbs up, and again, if I see a comment with a question, I will try my best to answer it, and I will be going back to this development to show you guys what the Airbnb looks like that I designed recently. Oh, quick reminder guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, as well as LinkedIn. All handles are Courtney-Ann.w or Courtney-Ann.w. Also follow me on TikTok if you guys want to keep abreast of some of the properties or what it's like as a real estate agent in the island of Jamaica. Remember that all the relevant specs for the properties are in the final clip, which you can pause the video and take a screenshot. And if it is that you did not catch part 1, 2, and 3, I'm going to leave a banner at the top of the video so you can just click on that and catch up on the other parts of this series. I think this is a very good development. It's one of the best that I've seen so far in the Ocho Rios area. But don't worry guys, if there's any other developments, I'll be sure to show you guys. So have a wonderful day and take care.